Hello Diana, it's Rob here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Toyota Camry Hybrid, which has 229,000 kilometers on it. We're selling it for $10,898 plus HST and licensing. There is no extra fees on this vehicle, only HST and licensing will be extra. Here's the car proof, I'll show it to you. So it shows there was one claim made in 2018, $6,041. The vehicle is registered as a normal, not branded, not salvage or rebuilt. It had just a claim on it. It comes fully certified. We already did safety on it. Very clean in and out. And the good news is we do have two sets of tires. So these ones are winters right now, and you'll get the all-season tires with this vehicle as well. Gray metallic on a light gray interior, has LED tail lights here, nice alloy rims, lots of room in the trunk, and rubber all-season mats. It comes with the vehicle as well. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.